Hi, I'm Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia, and I'm here today to talk to you about how you can change the settings of your BMC Luna G3 automatic CPAP machine. As you'll see on the front of the machine, there's a circular dial knob. Turn this dial until you reach the settings option on the front of the screen. Push the knob in and you'll hear a click. This will open up the settings menu where you'll find the patient settings. Here you can rotate the knob to select from humidifier settings, from ramp pressure settings. You can even change the date and time depending on where you are at. Once you've selected your desired pressure or settings change, press the home button twice and it will take you back to the main screen of the G3. To access the clinical settings, highlight settings once more and press down on the knob while holding it at the same time as the home button. This will take you to the clinical settings. Now, we do not recommend you personally changing these settings by yourself, because the clinical settings are so important to running your CPAP machine without any issue. If you do need to make adjustments to your machine, you can contact us by the options in the description of the video below. But if you do need to access the clinical settings and you're brave enough to change it by yourself, you can do so by holding again the home button and the knob buttons in at the same time, and this will take you to the clinical settings. Once you've done every setting change that you require, press the home button again until you're back on the home screen. And that's it. That's how to look at the patient settings and the clinical settings for your BMC Luna G3. Again, I've been Daniel. Thank you for watching our video. Make sure you subscribe below to stay up to date with our latest content. Have a great sleep.